Okay, I think you can see it there. That's a 30. It's supposed to be a 35 microfarad oil running capacitor. If you can see the way that's puffed out, I don't know if I got some good ones, but I don't have one right here. But I'll take my word for it. They're not supposed to look like that. They don't always do that when they go, but if you see one that looks like that, you know first off it's bad. Someone probably figured out why they do that, but like I said, some of them do, some of them don't. Some of them will just open up inside, and some of them I've seen one or two short, but the vast majority of them just open up inside. I've never seen one go to ground, but I'd say about 99% of them, when they fail, they open up. They'll either puff out like that or they won't. But that's what a bad oil running capacitor looks like. Bye bye.